Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an omelet crispy. Achieving that perfect golden brown crunch is simpler than you might think, and it all starts with a few key steps. We'll focus on creating a delicate, thin layer of egg that cooks rapidly, ensuring a delightful crispness without overcooking the interior. Get ready to transform your breakfast routine with this straightforward and incredibly satisfying method. You'll be amazed at the difference a little technique can make. First, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl and whisk them vigorously until they are well combined and slightly frothy. This aeration helps create a lighter texture. Next, place a non-stick pan, about 8 to 10 inches in diameter, over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter or a neutral oil, ensuring it melts and coats the pan evenly. Once the pan is hot, pour the whisked egg mixture into the pan, tilting it to create a very thin, even layer across the bottom. Now, here's the secret to crispiness. Let the omelet cook undisturbed. Resist the urge to stir or scramble the eggs. Watch as the edges begin to set and turn a beautiful golden brown. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. The bottom should become firm and wonderfully crispy, while the top remains just slightly moist and custardy. This contrast in textures is what makes this omelet truly special and delicious. Once the bottom is perfectly crispy and the top is almost set, it's time to fold. Using a flexible spatula, gently fold the omelet in half. The crispiness will make it easy to handle. Immediately slide your perfectly crispy omelet onto a warm plate. You can enjoy it plain or add your favorite fillings like cheese, vegetables, or a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Serve it hot and savor the incredible texture you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.